we're gonna go with some more prime reds here. If this is gonna be like a recent
shift back and forth.
Yeah, as much as you want, like whatever you think is appropriate, or whatever you would want to see if you were watching this video. You might get some fumes, so just gonna lay out kind of a general pattern here for what I want to do. Around the eye, I'm just gonna go in with some RMG because I don't want to, some Urban Mass grease paint because I don't want the alcohol to irritate the eye. Just for kicks and giggles, go with a little bit of the yellow, even though realistically that wouldn't happen until a little bit later, because I just like the way it looks. Yeah, okay, like that.
Not too bad.
Oh, not bad at all. Cool.